I'm Dr. Geary, Premier Family Care.
What are some early warning signs of Alzheimer's?
So I talk to patients and family members a lot here in the office about memory loss, and naturally a lot of people have concerns about the risk of Alzheimer's or other kinds of dementia. And I tell people that we all experience changes in our memory and recall as life goes on, and that's usually normal to some degree, but people who are concerned about dementia should watch out for things that I typically will call bizarre activities, or especially a loss of function in your daily routine. If you have trouble remembering, say, names of someone that you knew in the past, or locations of some place that maybe you don't go routinely, that's a pretty normal change that we all tend to experience at some point in life. But if a person is experiencing fairly surprising changes in their ability to go about their daily routine, a good example being the ability to cook a meal after you've been doing that millions of times over the years, or if you have forgotten your way home as opposed to maybe a place that you've only been a few times over the years, then that's kind of unusual and shows a loss of some of those daily functions that could indicate something like Alzheimer's or other dementia.
What kind of tests and observances can a doctor make or do to diagnose someone with Alzheimer's?
So typically the evaluation for Alzheimer's and other kinds of dementia starts with talking to your primary care doctor about your concerns regarding specific examples of loss of memory or inability to do certain things that you or a loved one typically has been able to do. And at that point, the doctor will typically do a variety of tests to make sure that these symptoms are not related to some other underlying medical problem. Oftentimes we will go through a battery of questions regarding memory and calculation and other kinds of day-to-day activities to try to tease out whether or not there's been an obvious loss in some of those day-to-day functions, recall, calculation, and other kinds of activities.